Hey Car Pundits, greetings of peace to all of you. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate in how I reset and install hydraulic belt tensioner for this Toyota Land Cruiser J70 or the 70 series. So this is important, guys, or Car Pundits, because if we are to replace timing belt, we have to loosen or sometimes remove the tensioner for checkup to see if it works fine. So stick around, Car Pundits, and please tune in, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Our goal here is to align the rod or the tensioner rod and the tensioner body, the two holes, to insert this pin. In that way, we can install the tensioner quickly. Now, we have to compress or press the lifter rod using this bench vise. After I remove the tensioner from the engine, I gently press the tensioner carefully. I would suggest using bench vise to compress the lifter rod quickly or easily. Now, I then go to the alignment or the aligning of the lifter rod and the tensioner body, the two holes preferably. Slowly align the two holes from lifter rod and tensioner body by turning the vise carefully. The tensioner is made up of a soft metal casting. In order not to break or damage, I put my cotton gloves at the bottom of it to prevent from breaking. You can put any soft materials to prevent the body from damaging or break. And now it's time to insert the pin. And now we go on to the installation. After I have done resetting the tensioner, I then now move to the installation to the engine. There are two fasteners or bolts to install this thing. A metric bolts where you can use a number 12 metric spanner. What I did is that I had to place the bottom rather, or the bottom fastener first, then the top. I had to use my fingers or hand first to initialize the tightening of the fasteners. Then, tighten with a specific torque. By the way, do not forget also to tighten the bearing part using a number 8 hex K spanner. Using a plier or a gripping tool, we can now remove the pin from the tensioner. Careful not to hit or damage the radiator when you pull out the pin. Instead, I grip the pin from the center of the plier, and the jaw or nose makes my leverage. I would also recommend turning the crankshaft clockwise by 360 degrees to finally set up the tensioner and the belt. In that way, we can assure the belt is properly setting up from the tensioner. And that concludes our video for today, Car Pundits. So I hope I guided you, and I hope you learn from this video, from this content as well. So thank you so much for staying, and we'll see you around. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so you'll get updated on my next videos or my future uploads. So thank you so much. If you like the video, please share, and thank you so much, Car Pundits. See you around. Ciao.